Matrices and determinants. A matrix is an arrangement of numbers, real or complex, in rows, horizontal lines, and column, vertical lines, denoted by capital letter A, B, C, etc. Example: A equal to a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. In this, number 1, 2, 3 is the first row. The number 4, 5, 6 is the second row. Number 1 and 4 is the first column. 2 and 5 is the second column. 3 and 6 is the third column. Order of matrix. If a matrix A has m rows and n columns, then A is called the matrix of order m cross n. We can read as m cross n or m by n. Example: A is a matrix. In this, only one row is there, three column is there. Therefore, it's a matrix of order 1 by 3. B equal to, a matrix is given. Here, 2 rows and 3 columns is there. Therefore, the order is 2 by 3. Next, one more example. C is given. In this, we have A11, A12, A1n up to AMN. So, matrix is given. So, it's a matrix of order m by n. Types of matrices. First one, row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. Example: 1 minus 5, 6 is given. Here only one row is there. It's a row matrix of order 1 by 3. Second one, column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. Example: 3, 7, 2 is there. Here three rows is there, but only one column. It's a column matrix of order 3 by 1. Null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix in which all the elements are zeros is called a null matrix or zero matrix, and it is denoted by 0. Example: see the matrix. In this, all the values are 0. It's a zero matrix of order 2 by 3. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. Example: 3, 4, 7, 2 is given. In this, the number of rows and number of columns are equal. It's a square matrix of order 2 by 2 or of order 2. Next is given. Number of rows and number of columns is 3. So the order is 3. Rectangular matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. We can give any example of different rows and columns. Example: in this, 2 rows and 3 columns is given. It's a rectangular matrix of order 2 by 3. Diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all the elements except the element in the principal diagonals are zeros. Example: A 2 and 5 is the principal diagonal. Other than that, remaining are zeros. And one more example. See here in this principal diagonal, 2, 7, 6 is there. Remaining all values are zeros. Are diagonal matrices of order 2 and 3 respectively. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same is called a scalar matrix. Example, the values are, first it should be a diagonal matrix, then all the values in the diagonal should be same. Therefore, a scalar matrix are of order 2 and 3 respectively. Unit matrix or identity matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal to 1 is called unit matrix or identity matrix, and it is denoted by I. Example, here see the diagonal, it contains 1 and 1, and in this matrix also diagonal contains only 1, or identity matrix of order 2 and 3 respectively. Equal matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if and only if their order are same and their corresponding elements are equal. Example, matrix A is given and matrix B is also given. Now in this, say the value of matrix A and B are equal. Therefore, A and B are equal matrices. One more example, A equal to a matrix and B is one more matrix. Here A and B are not equal matrix. Algebra of matrices. Scalar multiplication. If A is a matrix and K is any scalar or constant, then Ka is a matrix obtained by multiplying every element of A by K. That is, if A equal to some matrix, example A, B, C, D is given, then Ka equal to K into multiply the matrix. Now multiply K with all the entries, we get Ka, Kb, Kc, Kd, we got the values. Addition of matrices. Two matrices can be added or subtracted only if the order are same. If A and B are matrices of order m by n, then A plus B is of same order, and it is defined as a matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. That is, let us consider A equal to a matrix and B is equal to a given matrix. Say in this, the order remains same, so we can add it, that is A plus B equal to add 3 plus 9, 7 plus 2, minus 1 plus 6, 5 plus 2, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 8. So by adding we get A plus B as 12, 9, 5, 7, 0, 9. Subtraction of two matrices is similarly defined as addition of matrices. That is, A minus B equal to subtract the matrix, order remains same, so directly we can subtract it. And the matrix is minus 6, 5, minus 7, 3, 0, minus 7. The addition of matrices and scalar multiplication of matrices satisfies the following properties. If A, B and C are matrices of same order, then the following properties. First one, A plus B equal to B plus A, that is commutative. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C, this is associative. K, K is a scalar, K into A plus B equal to Ka plus Kb, this is scalar multiplication. A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A, where 0 is called the identity element under matrix addition. So these are few properties, simple properties we should know.